Speech on Gandhi Jayanti. Respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to deliver a speech on Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi has been given the title of Father of Nation as he took up the path of non-violence to fulfill his goals. An international organization, United Nations General Assembly, has marked his birth anniversary as International Day of Non-Violence, which is October 2. Gandhiji's life has been inspiration to many because of the life he led. It is truly incredible how a barrister who was so nervous to make a speech in London court went on to lead the Indian national movement. Before learning about Gandhi Jayanti, it is important to learn about the man himself. The full name of Mahatma Gandhi was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He took birth in the state of Gujarat in the town named Porbandar. The legacy which Gandhiji has left behind still impacts the people living in modern time. His restlessness and hard work to achieve Swaraj was really commendable. Not only that, but Gandhiji also worked to get rid of other social evils to make India an inclusive country. He worked tirelessly to remove the system of untouchability which was very prevalent back then. Moreover, he also empowered women and worked to enhance the economic condition of Indian farmers in addition to much more. Not only that, he played a pivotal role in three major movements. They were the non-cooperation movement, Dandi March and the Quit India movement. In other words, he is the most important figure to help India get freedom from British rule. Nothing trampled Gandhiji's spirit even though he was imprisoned and discriminated against badly by the Britishers. Even though his body was frail, his ambitions were stronger. He surprised everyone with his undying determination by walking for 440 kilometers on foot to defy the salt tax. These are just some of the contributions of the man to Indian history. Gandhi Jayanti celebrations. The whole country of India joyfully celebrates Gandhi Jayanti. The government has declared it a gazetted holiday and all schools, colleges, offices, banks, etc. remain closed. The cremation place of Mahatma Gandhi, Rajghat, is decorated with garlands and flowers on this day. People from all over the world pay homage to this great leader on Gandhi Jayanti. Ahead of his birth anniversary, many schools organize various events that revolves around his great life. Students participate in various competitions of essay writing, slogan writing, poster making and more. All these are based on the great works of Mahatma Gandhi. Moreover, they also educate them about the teachings of the great leader. It is an important day for every Indian as Gandhi Jayanti gave us one of the greatest human beings to ever walk this earth. In all offices, both private and government, people celebrate Gandhi Jayanti with equal zeal and nationalism. They put garland on the statue or portrait of Mahatma Gandhi and pay respect to him. Some of the offices also give out sweets on Gandhi Jayanti. It would be fair to say that Gandhiji was indeed greatest person to support democracy. He did not let anything deter his fight for independence and eradication of social issues. His principles of truth and non-violence are not just limited to India. In fact, the whole world follow him and his teachings. Although he was assassinated, it only killed his body because his ideas live on in the hearts of people. Thank you. If you like it, please subscribe the channel and share the videos with your friends. Bye.